Good afternoon, my YouTube viewers. In this video, what we're going to discuss is the image plot in R. So an image plot is a way to display data as a color-coded grid, where colors represent the values of a matrix or raster-like data. So in order to demonstrate the image plot, then what we're going to do is we're going to create an image plot using R's inbuilt programs. So we're going to create a 10 by 10 matrix. So mat becomes matrix brackets R norm brackets 100 comma in row equals 10. So what we're going to do is we're going to create random points of a normal distribution, and they're going to be 100 random points in a normal distribution, and so it's going to have 10 rows. And so if it's 100 points, so 10 rows is also going to give you 10 columns. And then so after we've created our matrix, we're going to create an image plot of that. So image brackets mat comma main equals image plot of random matrix. So that's your title. So we've got the image plot of the random matrix, and then so it's using warm colors. And so of a normal distribution, you're going to have on the x-axis, it's going to be 0 to 1, and on the y-axis, it's going to be 0 to 1. And each position, each one of those 100 points on the normal distribution is going to be displayed as a cell and a different color of the cell. So the next thing that we're going to do, and what you could do is you could say, try this. So you've got your matrix, you've got your 100 points of your matrix and the normal distribution. And then so if you have your 100 points in the matrix of your normal distribution, you can identify what color it is. And so let's see what we've got. We've got row 1 and column 2 is going to be, row 1 column 2 is going to be 0.8. And then row 1 column 6 is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's going to be 7 really. So row 1 column 7 is going to be 0.8. So you can see that the negative numbers are going to be dark and the positive numbers are going to be, well, ideally it's going to be light, but we've got another one that's a negative 0.89, and that's a light color. So I was hoping that there would be some reason to the coloring, but there doesn't seem to be any reason to the coloring unless you start out with a 0.0. But yeah, so that's it. That's your matrix. And then here's the image plot of the matrix. And I was hoping there would be a bit of reason to it, unless the row 10, column 10 is going to be 0.69. And so that's it. You can experiment with this and decide the logic behind how the image plot is designed. So I like blue. And so since I like blue, I decided that I was going to create an image plot in blue. But I'm just going to put M right here. And so basically, we're going to create an image plot in blue. So we're going to set our example matrix. It's going to be set seed is going to be 1. So that means every time you run the program, it's going to be initialized to the same values. So M is your matrix, becomes matrix brackets or norm brackets 100 comma in row equals 10. So you're creating again a matrix of 100 random numbers in a normal distribution. And then we're going to create blue color palettes. So blue palette becomes color ramp palette brackets C, and C means you're creating a vector, light blue, blue, navy. And then we're going to create the image plot. So image brackets M, comma, col equals blue palette, brackets 50, main equals blue image plot, X lab is your X label is X, and Y lab, which is your Y label, is Y. And then we're going to run the program. And so when we run the program, we've got our values in our matrix. So if you want to try to determine how each number fits with a different color, you've got the matrix. And then so we've got our blue plot here. So again, so I like blue, so I just made the blue one. So you can see row 10, column 1 is going to be negative 0.305. Row 1, 2, 3, 4. Row 4, column 1 is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.59, and it's going to be a dark blue. So you've got the colors in the matrix where the values in the matrix all correspond to a different color, so you can decide for yourself how the colors work out. So that concludes this video on the image plot. We did one using the standard warm colors, and we used one using the blue palette because I like the blue palette, and so I decided that I wanted to make an image plot with blue. So if you like this video, I hope you do. And the next video is going to be another visualization in R, and I hope that you decide to watch it.